Well, hey guys, welcome back to the video and good morning. It's Saturday the 21st and it's time for Modded Kulture Slanging Smoke. We're going to be driving Bahoku today. I am jazzed. It's been like a month since we've thrashed, so I'm really looking forward to beating the snot out of the car. We got everything loaded up, so we're pretty much ready to go. Nothing else is really needed. We're strapped up, strapped down. We got a couple spares, a bumper. We got 2 spare tires in the back. We got a couple more spares in the garage, but they're older, kind of like greasy stuff. So I will drive on them, but I want to feel out the course first and see exactly how slick it is with a good pair of new tires, so that way I can figure out if I need to air out on the used ones that I have. That I got for a really good deal. But that being said, I need to use some of them because today's gonna be the last day that I'm driving the E46 with stock power. As you guys all know, after this event, we're pulling the car apart so we can put this in. 6-liter LS with LS3 heads, stage 4 summer racing cam, big old honking filter out the hood. So, as much as I'm excited to drive this event, I'm also excited that this is the last event that I'm driving on stock power, and the next time that the car hits the track, it's gonna be making in the ballpark of 450, 500 horsepower. Pretty damn cool. But that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate, get some things sorted out, and then I'll check back in when we're on the way to the track. Let's have a good day. All right, well, it's like 2:20. I'm on my way to Firebird Motorsports Park, or Radford Racing School, I guess is actually the lot that we're gonna be driving on. So I'll check back in with you guys when we get there, but it's about an hour away from here. So I'm gonna get out there and get in line to get into the event. So I forgot to film a little bit, but we got the car in the pit set up. We got the Audi from House of Euro. I didn't tell you guys about this, but thanks to Austin, we now have a cool vest, so I don't get heat stroke, because you guys know I get really worn out when it's hot. We have Emmy, or LA Lag Motorsport out here. We're just having a good time. We're waiting for our group to start again, and then we're gonna go drive because the track is right behind us. And dude, I'm just ready to fucking thrash. All right, so first session went pretty good. By the time I got back to the pits, which it's like about a 3 or 4 minute drive, my tires were still at 40 PSI in the rear. So I aired them down to 30. I started at 35, and hopefully that would give me the grip I need to drive how I want to. We're about to go back out for another session. This is gonna be some feeling out of the track. Unfortunately, it is getting kind of dark, so I don't know how much the GoPro is gonna be able to pick up, but I'm gonna do my best to get you guys footage and just have fun.
Only get started when it's midnight, keeping it tight. If a nigga wanna build to a board, we can get dark, but we stay bright. Coming like a night, it's just like if you touch my sleeve. Niggas round there wanna disagree when it's clear that I'm speaking facts. Man like me, you know I'm proactive. Never gonna stop till I see the big man's on flats.
Hop on the front door, it's like midnight. Don't lose your grip, cause you might fall out again. Off-white whip, need for speed. I'm not switching the lane. Pick up the pace. Go like that, no back to the base. Back to the base. Back to the base. I work another act. Been trying to stack up racks on racks. Boys in the back wearing all black, staying on track like chef sugar, and that's on me. Out here getting this beef. If you work for the devil, better retreat. Coming too icy, come too clean. Could never move shady, ain't no feed. Shotgun, London, what's the outcome? You know, I'm a madman, just can't stick to the program. Raise up the heat, keeping the tension, shifting the gear to a different dimension. Red light, speed up, take off. Hop on the front door, it's like midnight. Don't lose your grip, cause you
Back breath to the base.
All right, guys. Well, it's the next morning. I got home at like 3:30 in the morning and needed to unload the truck and take a shower and get to bed. So just checking in really quick to close the video off. Modded Kulture Slanging Smoke. Badass event. Getting to drive Bahoku. Fucking sick, dude. That was so much fun. Car got a little bit of love taps, some battle scars. Super stoked to be out there driving. Unfortunately, Austin and the S4, it sounds like we heard a motor. So unfortunate for sure, but I know he'll be back out sooner rather than later and stronger as well. His car fucking is sick. Thing is a little laggy until they get the nitrous on it, but man, when that thing goes, it goes. As always, E46 did great. Really stoked on it. This little M52 has been a trooper. Anybody that says you can't drive with a 2.5 liter, they're wrong. But that being said, now it's time to put the car to sleep for the summer. We're gonna start tearing it apart, taking all the wiring harness out, building a custom wiring harness for the body, getting everything set up, and then here in a month and a half, we'll have this sitting in the engine bay. So really excited for that. Sorry I didn't film more at the event talking, but honestly had a lot of people who wanted to ride along, and I was just trying to go out and have fun. So I'm not sure when this video will come out. I'm waiting for some footage to come back from ride-alongs and stuff. But yeah, thanks guys for tuning in. Bahoku was a success. Now I'm gonna go get coffee and try and wake up. But thank you guys all for tuning in. Hit thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned, and I guess as always, peace.
Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop. Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop. I fucked up this hustle, yeah we hustle, but the
Oh my God.